Good day, viewers, and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I will show you how to use Chatgpt to write a perfect research design. Actually, it's gonna be a step-by-step guide. So I'll also explain research design and the key elements in a research design, and I'll also show you exactly how to use AI tools, of course, like this Chatgpt, our customized Chatgpt, to plan, structure, and write your research design in academic writing with clarity and confidence. So whether you are working on a chapter 3 research paper, a full research project, or just starting your proposal, this tutorial will walk you through everything from defining your research approach to selecting data collection methods. You will also discover smart prompts and strategies to make Chatgpt generate a strong, plagiarism-free research design that meets university standards. So by the end of this video, you will know: 1. How to use Chatgpt effectively to write a research design, how to structure chapter 3 in a research paper or dissertation, how to write research design in thesis or proposal format, and also the best Chatgpt prompt for academic writing success. So if you have ever searched how to write research design in research paper, how to write research design in thesis, or how to use Chatgpt for research proposal writing, this video is exactly what you need. Watch till the end to see real examples and get free Chatgpt prompt template you can use right away. Okay, so let me quickly explain research design. So a research design refers to the overall plan, structure, and strategy used to investigate a research problem. It serves as the blueprint that guides how data are collected, analyzed, and interpreted in order to answer the research questions or test hypotheses. In essence, it connects the research objectives with the methods chosen, ensuring that the study produces reliable and valid findings. Okay, so a sound research design specifies what data are needed, how they will be obtained, and how they will be analyzed. It helps maintain coherence between theoretical assumptions, methodological choices, and empirical evidence. The design type, whether qualitative, quantitative, or mixed methods, depends on the nature of the research problem, objectives, and expected outcomes. And the key elements of a research design are: 1. Research problem and objectives. These define what the study seeks to address and guide the selection of appropriate design and methods. Number 2. Research questions or hypotheses. They specify the focus of inquiry and shape how data will be gathered and analyzed. Number 3, research approach. This refers to the general orientation of the study: qualitative, exploratory, quantitative, descriptive or experimental, or mixed methods, combining both. Number 4, population and sampling. Population and sampling identifies the target group and outlines how participants or cases will be selected to ensure representativeness and depth. Data collection methods. This details the tools and techniques, example surveys, interviews, focus groups, document analysis, used to obtain relevant information. Number 6, data analysis procedures. This specifies how the collected data will be processed, coded, and interpreted using statistical or thematic techniques. Number 7, validity and reliability or trustworthiness. It ensures that the methods produce consistent, credible, and accurate results. Number 8, ethical considerations. The ethical consideration addresses how participants' rights, confidentiality, and consent are protected throughout the research process. So when writing your research design, you must try as much as you can to include these things. Include the research problem and objective, research question and hypothesis, research approach, population and sampling, data collection methods, data analysis procedures, validity and reliability or trustworthiness, ethical consideration. And in summary, the research design provides a structured path from the research problem to valid conclusions. It ensures logical coherence between objectives, data, and interpretation, making the study systematic, credible, and reliable. Okay, so let's proceed to using Chatgpt to write this research design. So my internet is connected. I will open my browser. I'm already on the customized prompt. So for you to get your own customized prompt, you have to click the link below this video and get the prompt. So this is my own customized prompt. I click on start writing my research now. Then I'll get my requirements, that's the research topic, the case study, and all of that, because I will need to supply it to the prompt. Now I paste it here and then enter. Okay, all right, so what I'm gonna do here is asking I should confirm which section I would like to start with. So I'll prompt it 3.1, which is the research design. Let me wait for the next command. Okay, so it has shown me the structure overview, how it will be introduction to the research method, study design, data collection method, sampling methodology, data analysis techniques, ethical consideration, limitations of the methodology. So that's almost the same everything I said in the key element. So now it's asking, before writing, please confirm one small details to ensure the correct part depth and method alignment. Now, should I write this section at undergraduate BSc, postgraduate MSc, or doctorate PhD? So I will prompt it to write PhD level. So this is one of the fantastic thing about our customized prompt. Alright, so I prompted PhD level. Let's see. Do you want me to reference real data collection instruments? Example, describe sample questionnaires, interview questions briefly, or should I keep it conceptual and methodological only? Let me ask it to include. So I prompted one. Please hold for a format while I generate your chapter 3.1 section with full verified references and compliance. Okay. Once the correct file is loaded, I will generate your chapter. Okay. Please re-upload or confirm the file name of the referencing file. Okay, just say confirm because I don't want to re-upload anything. Shall I now generate full? Yes. Before I start drafting the PhD level chapter, I need to ensure the referencing, validation, and citation enforcement are active. They depend on the file name. Okay. The file you uploaded earlier is named 2 references instruction. Okay. Please confirm that this is the correct and final referencing compliance file. That is the one that defines your citation verifications and validation protocol. So I will confirm. I don't want it to change anything. It's asking all these questions to be sure. disappear. Perfect. This is beautiful. So that's that for research design. Next thing I will do is to copy, then go to my software and do few editing, thereafter verify references, and then humanize. So just remove the things I do not want. I'll remove this. Okay. I'll remove that too. So remove this, it's not right. So that's that. The next thing is to verify the references and then humanize. That is that. So the person speaking is Mr. Rich Edit. And please, I want to plead with you to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel so that you get more updates on our videos. Thank you so much.